Broan's Designer Collection new line of chimney hoods come in a variety of styles and appliance matching finishes for one beautiful and clean look. Equipped with a powerful 450 max blower CFM, high-efficiency microfilters, bright LED lighting, and easy-to-use soft-touch controls, Broan range hoods are perfect for today's kitchen. Broan's upfront integrated one-level LED modules illuminate the entire cooktop compared to that of competitors' LEDs placed at the back of the hood. Broan's new Designer Collection chimney hoods include easy-to-use soft-touch controls with backlit identification. The sleek design allows for ease of cleaning with controls that are flush with the side of the hood surface. With 450 max blower CFM, Broan's chimney hoods provide quick and effective capture efficiency and pull in smoke at a higher rate when the speed changes from low to high. Broan's new line of chimney hoods offers quiet 3 or 1.5 zones at low speed. Turning on the hood doesn't mean you have to compromise conversation in the kitchen. Keep the air in your home fresh and clean with a Broan Designer Collection range hood.